Let's play common ground. You and your partner will learn ways that you're alike or similar and ways that you're different. The space between you and your partner is called your common ground. When you jump into it, it means you've found something in common. And we're going to use some skills for learning on this game. So let's review and read them together. The first skill is focus attention. Yes. And listen. Use self-talk. And be assertive. Right. So we're going to practice these skills as we play this game. So I'm going to read the question, and you'll show a thumbs up if you agree, or a thumbs down if you disagree. And if you have the same answer as your partner, then you're going to jump together and slap your hands together. And if you have a different answer, then you're going to squat down. Okay? Everybody got it? All right, let's stand up and play. Cody, you can be my partner. All right. Do you like to eat fish? All right, let's play another one. Do you like studying science? Okay, do you like building models? Do you like going on field trips? Do you like climbing ropes? Okay, all right, let's all sit down again. So I saw that a lot of you were slapping hands together. So it seems like you had a lot of things in common. Tanisha, can you tell me one thing that you had in common with your partner?
We both like fish.
You both like eating fish. Okay, great. And Ginny, how about you? Did you have anything in common?
We both liked going on field trips.
Great. And Cody, what did we have in common?
We both like studying science.
That's correct. Okay, so you found a lot of common ground today. So let's think about ways for a moment of how we're similar and how we're different.